Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are hunting for waterfalls again. We came to this trail close by, as always, all around us. We have so many nature here that we can go and explore. So we came to this waterfall that actually we came last time, but we didn't really come down to the what do you call it, like at the bottom of the waterfall. We just passed by. So this time we just decided to come really and enjoy right at the bottom. You see right there? Looks so beautiful. We're gonna take several pictures here. Oregon and Washington State are so beautiful, you know. They have so many things like this, you know. And we really enjoy coming or going to this kind of places. Oh, look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. And people are coming, you know, they like to come and take a lot of pictures over here. Of course, this is amazing for pictures, Instagram pictures that you can enjoy. Alright guys, this is so amazing, you know, look at this. A lot of people taking pictures, videos, they're just enjoying ourselves over here. This is a very nice beach as well. We're gonna stay here for a while, just taking pictures and video, trying to come up with ideas. Look at this. Yeah, we can go over there and take some pictures over there. When you come over here, you have to really be careful. It's wet all over. It has been raining a lot, so just be careful. There are some of the rocks are really sharp, so you have to really be careful where you step. But man, you're gonna enjoy this place. Too bad I have my new, not new, but it's just white tennis shoes. You see? Not a good idea. But look at this, guys. It's just so amazing. See people over there. I'm just gonna go and walk over there so I can get a really nice. I don't know if it's gonna be so noisy. The water comes all over. Look, there are some people over there. Oh, look at this water. Right where I wanted to be. Okay, let's get off. It's so windy. Are you okay? Yeah, good. Yeah, so you have to be really careful when you come over here. I think she's okay over there. I asked her if it was okay. So yeah, it's very slippery. Over there, I was stepping on and then I kind of, you know, slip a little bit, but you just have to be careful here. Hang on. I think she's okay, but she may need some help over there. I hope nothing serious, because it is very slippery. We can just wait until they pass.
Oh my god, really easy.
You really get wet over there. There are 3 more people over here trying to cross. Just look at the rocks formation, you know, it's very nice. Last time, when I can remember, like 3 videos ago, we went on the top over there, right there, but we couldn't see down. Okay, let's go. Careful. My hair got wet over there by the waterfall. Alright, that is waterfall number 1. We're going to the next one. Got my hair all messed up already. Okay, see you on the next waterfall. Alright guys, welcome to the second waterfall. Alright, let's go, corazón. Alright, we'll see how this one is smaller than the first one that we went to see. It's still nice. Let's see where this path takes us. It's our first time being here as well. We always cross the bridge as always, you know, you just pass by. We always hesitate to stop and take a look around. Oh, let's just take us over here. Right guys, that is waterfall number 2. It's a very small one, but it's still nice, you know, just to spend some time over here to take some pictures, and then the bridge as well.
This is for Instagram.
Instagram pictures. It's just a mountain, you know, it's very nice. It's a very rocky. All this is just rock, you know. It's very nice to explore. Again, we haven't been here before, but we drive by. Are you happy because we're not really hiking? We are just pretty much just exploring and just go to the different waterfalls. You see, it's not bad. It's small waterfall. You know, too bad we cannot go down there. But it's okay. Just enjoy the nature over here. By the way, I'll be making another video on the microphone I'm using. If the sound is good. It's a new microphone, really cheap and not very expensive, about $60 price. Look at this bridge. But this type of microphone is using front and back. So right now I'm recording at the front of the microphone, and also has on the back. So, and now I'm recording from the back of rear microphone. Look at that view. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. See the last some of the videos I drive by recording the whole trip. Oh, look at us, guy. That is fall autumn season. You know, where the leaf change color. It's just so nice. So nice to enjoy this beautiful forest over here. Right, let's go to the next waterfall. I'm using a new microphone. I'm using a case, a case from to hold the GoPro, and also of course the microphone is on top of that little case. So hopefully the video, everything, the sound is good. Alright guys, welcome to waterfall number 3. So this is Multnomah Waterfall. A lot of tourists today. Alright guys, so that is waterfall number 3. This is Multnomah Falls, and we're gonna go a little bit so you can see you closer to it. A lot of people today because it's, compared to other days, it's a little bit sunny, so of course people want to get out. It has been raining a lot, so that is why we're gonna see a lot of people today here. And I recommend for you guys to come early so you're able to see to find parking, because we waited about maybe 15-20 minutes in order to get a parking, because some people just come and go. So but still, if you don't want to wait for that long, I recommend for you guys to come like in the morning very early so you can find parking. I'm telling you guys, it's a raining season, so when you see a little bit clear sky, all you want to do is just get out, you know, because it's very rare now when we see the sun come out. Look at all these people going up. We have another video that you can go back on my videos to see all when we climb all the way up to the top. It's a challenge if you haven't done it before, but overall it's not bad for hiking. Look at this one. Of course you have to be careful over here. There's a lot of people and it's a cliff. So since you know, it's, like I said, it is raining season, so they put a warning before you go beyond this point, because it's wet, slippery, rocks may fall, so you have to really be careful when you go up there. And of course, you get wet over here, so if you don't mind, you know, getting well, so it's good. Beautiful place. Waterfall number 3 in our list for today, for this video at least. We just wanted to show you these 3 places that you can come and visit. So, alright guys, before we leave, I am gonna ask you to please subscribe and like this video so YouTube can help us spread our videos for more people to see, and we can, you know, keep making more videos. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed these waterfalls because they are amazing. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.